Today's featured pickup truck is a 1968 Chevrolet C10 short box, Restomod. It has four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes on it and a GM 6.2-liter LS3 engine, and the suspension has been redone and it's been totally restored. Good looking truck, that's for sure. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And this one had all new interior, totally redone, new wood in the bed, and everything's been re-chromed, and then it's painted blue with a white top. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck, a 1968 Chevrolet C10 Restomod, a short box with Wilwood four-wheel disc brakes, GM 6.2-liter LS3 engine, and modified suspension, and all new bed, and totally restored. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.